are in Sierra Leone, my Sierra Leonean Forex trader, or who intend to learn Forex within the Sierra Leonean environment, definitely I have a good news for you. This is an opportunity. You can grab this one, yeah? You need to grab this one. If you are looking for education and mentorship program in Forex trading, definitely start trading SL is the answer. Start trading SL is the answer. They offer the following. 1. Comprehensive Forex education. Number 2, personalized mentorship. Number 3, practical Forex trading experience. It's nothing, it's not gimmicks. And community and networking. Because there are lots of other young traders there. There are professional traders also there. You are going to opportune to network with others. You know, this whole thing is about networking. So when you are with Start Trading SL, you are going to opportune with that facility, networking, and wonderful lucrative community. Let me tell you, we have a conducive learning environment wherein you are not going to bother yourself. You are going to learn. And whatever thing you are going to learn there, you're definitely going to sustain it. And it's going to stay with you, for you, and forever by you. That is the advantage of Start Trading. The subscription plans are Starter, Basic, Pro, and Master. The information you can see, eh? Watch. You're seeing it, eh? Or you can pay them a visit at number 5 Strasser Drive off College Road, Godrich. I repeat the venue, the location that you can pay them a visit today at number 5 Strasser Drive off College Road, Godrich. Or you can contact them on the following numbers on your screen so that you can start your plans today. And the good news is that they are currently running a discount of 40% off their prices. 40% off all their prices, be starter, be basic, be pro, or be masters. They are offering 40%. Imagine, that's huge. It's not 10, it's not 5, it's not 15, it's not 20, but 40% off. It's like they have, brother, take advantage of this opportunity so that you also can start cashing out. I know you have admired somebody outside there, or somebody might have inspired you to start trading Forex. Definitely take advantage. Grab this institution, grab Start Trading Salon with all your hands, with everything in you, so that you can start cashing out, so that you can gain financial freedom. They are the best. They have the best tweeters who have the experience, who are not just tweeters, but they are also Forex traders, professional Forex traders. Imagine somebody who is a professional Forex trader training you, mentoring you, giving you the education. My brother, it is a go for you. So I advise you to contact the numbers on the screen or visit the office today, or you visit the office today so that you can start something new in your life. This is an old career for itself, so take advantage. Start learning now. Remember, education is the key to success. If you want to survive in this foreign exchange market, if you want to be a successful Forex trader, then education is the key. You need to embrace education, and the only institution that I recommend that can give you the right education, the right mentorship, and the right materials when it comes to Forex trading is no less an institution but Start Trading Salon. So get in touch with them with the numbers on the screen, or visit their office at number 5 Strasser Drive off College Road, Godrich, and take advantage of the opportunity. So let's get there. You'll meet me there. Let's be friends. Peace. Go get it. Go get it now. Contact them now.